Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can activate Dune Part 2 theme on Facebook Messenger. So first you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Messenger. Click on that and you need to update your Messenger application by clicking on this update. So once you complete that step, you need to go back and you need to open Messenger application. And then you need to select any conversation from here. So I'm going to select this one and click on this icon on the top right, and here you need to click on theme, and from here you need to select Dune Part 2 and click on select. Wait for few seconds and now you can see that this theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.